Welcome friends, today we will study about CSWIP 3.1 sample question paper 4. We will come with more CSWIP 3.1 sample question papers in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Question 1. Movement of the arc in MMA welding by magnetic forces is called. Options are A. Arc deviation, B. Arc misalignment, C. Arc blow, D. Arc eye. Our answer is C. Arc blow. Question 2. A metallurgical problem most associated with submerged arc welding is. Options are A. Hydrogen cracking in the has, B. Solidification cracking in the weld metal, C. Hydrogen cracking in the weld metal, D. Lamellar tearing in the weld metal. Our answer is B. Solidification cracking in the weld metal. Question 3. Oxy pressure and nozzle size in flame cutting would influence. Options are A. The temperature required for cut initiation, B. The ability to cut stainless steels, C. The depth of the cut obtainable, D. None of the above. Our answer is C. The depth of the cut obtainable. Question 4. The main usage of arc cutting/gouging processes is. Options are A. The cutting of single bevel preparations, B. The removal of deposited welds, C. The cutting of single U-type preparations, D. The cutting/gouging of non-ferrous materials only. Our answer is B. The removal of deposited welds. Question 5. Which of the following processes joins metals plastically? Options are A. Friction welding, B. Resistance welding, C. Plasma welding, D. All the above. Our answer is A. Friction welding. Question 6. Which electrode classification would be relevant to AWSA 5.1-81? Options are AE 6013, BE 5133, CE 7018G, D Fleet Weld 5. Our answer is AE 6013. Question 7. Which of the following coatings is associated with stove welding? Options are A. Rutile, B. Cellulosic, C. Basic, D. Oxidizing. Our answer is B. Cellulosic. Question 8. A common gas mixture used in MIG welding nickel alloys, to combine good levels of penetration with good arc stability would be. Options are A. 100% CO2, B. 100% argon, C. 80% argon and 20% CO2, D. 98% argon and 2% oxygen. Our answer is B. 100% argon. Question 9. Which type of saw flux is more resistant to moisture absorption? Options are A. Fused, B. Agglomerated, C. Basic, D. All the above have the same resistance. Our answer is A. Fused. Question 10. The flame temperature of oxy/acetylene mixture gas is given as. Options are A. 3200 degrees Celsius, B. 2300 degrees Celsius, C. 5000 degrees Celsius, D. None of the above. Our answer is A 3200 degrees Celsius. Question 11. A large grain structure in steels is said to produce, options are: A. Low ductility values, B. Low fracture toughness values, C. High fracture values, D. High tensile strength. Our answer is B. Low fracture toughness values. Question 12. The likelihood of brittle fracture in steels will increase with, options are: A. A large grain formation, B. A reduction of in-service temperature to sub-zero temperatures, C. Ferritic rather than austenitic steels, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 13. Repair welding is often more difficult than production welding due to, options are: A. The material being ingrained with in-service contaminants, B. Restricted access within the repair area, C. The possible position of the weld repair, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 14. Hydrogen cracking in the weld metal is likely when welding, options are: A. Carbon manganese steels, B. Stainless steels, C. Microalloyed steels, HSLA, D. Low carbon steels. Our answer is C. Microalloyed steels, HSLA. Question 15. N288 standard would refer to which of the following, options are: A. Welder approval testing, B. Welding equipment, C. Welding procedure approval, D. Consumables for welding. Our answer is C. Welding procedure approval. Question 16. Porosity is caused by, options are: A. Entrapped slag in the solidifying weld, B. Entrapped gas in the solidifying weld, C. Entrapped metallic inclusions in the solidifying weld, D. None of the above. Our answer is B. Entrapped gas in the solidifying weld. Question 17. In a bend test, the face of the specimen is in tension and the root is in compression. What type of test is being carried out? Options are: A. Root bend test, B. A side bend test, C. A face bend test, D. None of the above. Our answer is C. A face bend test. Question 18. Ultrasonic testing is more advantageous in detecting which of the following weld imperfections over other NDT methods? Options are: A. Lack of sidewall fusion, B. Surface undercut, C. Incompletely filled groove, D. Overlap. Our answer is A. Lack of sidewall fusion. Question 19. Tempering is often carried out to regain toughness after which of the following processes? Options are: A. Annealing, B. Normalizing, C. Hardening, D. Stress relieving. Our answer is C. Hardening. Question 20. The presence of iron sulfide in the weld metal is most likely to produce which of the following upon contraction of the weld? Options are: A. Solidification cracking, B. Hydrogen cracking, C. Intergranular corrosion, D. Stress corrosion cracking. Our answer is A. Solidification cracking. Question 21. Austenitic stainless steel electrodes are generally smaller in length than mild steel electrodes because, options are: A. High amperage is used, B. Shelf life will be decreased, C. Their electrical conductivity is less than that of steel. D. They are more expensive. Our answer is C. Their electrical conductivity is less than that of steel. Question 22. The voltage necessary to maintain an arc during metal arc welding is termed, options are A. Mains supply voltage, B. Arc current, C. Arc voltage, D. Open circuit voltage. Our answer is A. Mains supply voltage. Question 23. When MMA welding low carbon steel, which electrode will give the greatest deposition rate? Options are A. Hydrogen controlled, B. Cellulosic, C. Rutile, D. Iron powder. Our answer is D. Iron powder. Question 24. Inherent rectification of the electrical output is produced in the arc when TIG welding using, options are A. AC with a suppressor, B. AC without a suppressor, C. DC with reverse polarity, D. DC with straight polarity. Our answer is B. AC without a suppressor. Question 25. Gamma rays and X-rays are part of a family of waves called, options are A. Acoustic waves, B. Light waves, C. Electromagnetic waves, D. Transverse waves. Our answer is C. Electromagnetic waves. Question 26. A measure of the accuracy of a radiograph as an NDT tool is given by its, options are A. Intensity, B. Density, C. Sensitivity, D. Exposure. Our answer is C. Sensitivity. Question 27. A surface breaking crack will be detected during a magnetic particle inspection if it is, options are A. At right angles to the lines of flux, B. Parallel to the lines of flux, C. At 25 degrees to the lines of flux, D. All the above. Our answer is A. At right angles to the lines of flux. Question 28. The advantage of ultrasonic non-destructive testing for the examination of weldments is, options are A. It can be used to locate flaws, B. It can be used to size flaws, C. It has a high sensitivity to planar flaws, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 29. Under normal contract conditions, weld procedure approval tests for pipework are, options are A. Mandatory, B. Dependent on site and weather conditions, C. Dependent upon the contractor's confidence in his procedures, D. Only required when MMA welding is used. Our answer is A. Mandatory. Question 30. Hydrogen-controlled electrodes were developed principally for, options are A. The prevention of porosity, B. The prevention of cracking, C. The enhancement of arc voltage, D. Their ease of arc starting. Our answer is B. The prevention of cracking.